How to make money with binary options trading. We're not talking about making a killing with a single trade. Here, we're referring to building a reliable trading system that helps you to produce a reasonable return over the long run. We'll give you a few tips to get you started. 1. Learn how to read candlestick charts. A lot of the price activity you'll see in binaries can be predicted by studying past price movements. This is essentially what candlestick charts show. The charts themselves might seem complicated at first, but are actually simple to read once you learn the basics and the common candlestick patterns. 2. Study the past price activity of your chosen underlying assets. Trading binary options for profit is not like gambling. It's not a roll of the dice nor flip of the coin. A knowledgeable trader can use data and information to pick binaries that are more likely to expire in the money. Some of the most important data are found in the asset's recent price activity. 3. Watch and follow pricing trends. If the price of gold has been climbing for the past few days, resist the temptation to bet on a reversal. Likewise, if IBM shares have cratered and continue to fall, don't assume a buying pressure is going to magically materialize and push the price upward. Betting with trends is a good strategy when trading short-term binaries. Betting against trends is asking for trouble. 4. Don't bet your mortgage payment. Even if you are absolutely certain a binary option can't miss, that it's going to go your way and make you rich in the process, hold on to your grocery money. There is significant risk attached to trading this type of instrument. Even if a hunch or a tip from a friend turns out to be correct, it may do so outside the expiration of your trade. Be conservative with your bankroll. Be smart. 5. Get some experience before risking a sizable piece of your cash flow. Several brokers offer demo accounts. You can practice executing trades in these accounts without putting your own money at risk. You'll also have a chance to get accustomed to the binary options platform hosted by the broker. Types of people trade binary options. The folks who trade binary options to make money fall into 3 broad categories. Try to identify the category that best describes you. The first is the gambler. This individual approaches binary options trading in the same way he approaches a roulette wheel. To him, whether he profits or not is based entirely on chance, example red versus black. Hence, he doesn't look at candlestick charts, pays no attention to pivot points, and couldn't care less about Fibonacci retracements. In the second category we find the investor. This individual looks at trading binaries as a method to juice up the return on his investment portfolio. If someone were to ask him about the things he invests in, he might respond, IBM, Google, muni bonds, and some binary options trading. Investors often fail to realize the high degree of risk they assume as they chase the high returns advertised by binary options brokers. The third category is made up of traders who are realistic. These folks typically have experience, and are well aware of the risks associated with trading binaries. They also know that having a keen grasp of the assets that underlie the options, and a familiarity with certain aspects of technical analysis, gives them an edge. And with that edge, they know they can consistently make money trading binary options. This is the group with which you want to identify yourself.